everyone, welcome to Ocean of Formulas. In today's video, we are going to learn about PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS or BODMAS rule. PEMDAS rule is nothing but the series of operations which will be performed on this expression to get the answer. Now let's understand the meaning of these operations. P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, E means addition, and S means subtraction. In some countries, PEMDAS rule they are referring as BODMAS or BADMAS rule. B means brackets, O means orders or powers, D is the same as division, M is again same as multiplication, A is same as addition, and S is same as subtraction. When there is only one operation, it's always easy to get the answer. We can directly multiply, add, divide, or subtract. But if there are multiple operations in one expression, we always use PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Before we start solving this expression, there are two rules to keep in mind. First, we will solve this expression starting from left to right. And the second, as per the PEMDAS rule, we will check for parentheses first. Second, we will check for exponents. Third, we will check for multiplication and division. Here, multiplication and division both have the same priority. So starting from left to right, whichever comes first, we will solve that first. And the last one, we will check for addition and subtraction. Here as well, addition and subtraction both have the same priority. So starting from left to right, whichever comes first, we will solve that first. Now let's start solving the expression. First check for parentheses. So here in this expression, we don't have parentheses. Let's check for exponents. We don't have any exponents. Now check for multiplication and division. So yes, we have multiplication and we have division as well. So starting from left to right, multiplication comes first. So we will solve multiplication first. So 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25, minus 5 divided by 5. Now the priority is to solve division first. So 25 minus 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So we got our answer 24. Simple, isn't it? If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.